Well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a Renault Twingo 2017 model, the newest model of Renault Twingo, if I remember correctly. When we turn the ignition off, there is a range indicator over here that says the service is due within 700 kilometers. I'm going to show you in this video how to reset this range. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. Then we have two buttons over here. Use the top button to scroll through the menu and stop when you find the wrench. Indicate this wrench over here. Once you found that, press the top button, press and hold it till this starts blinking and stops blinking. And as you can see, it stops blinking and this new indicator is due to 20,000 kilometers. When you turn the ignition off and the ignition back on, as you can see, the range indicator doesn't appear anymore. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.